everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Shay Whitney. Just kidding. I've always wanted to say that. But I do kind of think today is a short style episode where I share 5 life-changing style secrets. About 2 years ago, I did a very similar video to this. I don't really want you to go back and look at it because it was 2 years ago and wow, I've come a long way. But you guys loved that video, and today I'm not gonna be duplicating anything. Maybe I should, but I'm not. So these are 5 new things that I've kind of come up with over the last 2 years, and I really do think they are life-changing. So if you like really quick and dirty, that is not what I meant. If you like quick videos that are bam, 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 right to the point, then consider subscribing right down below. Let's get started. Numero uno is number 1. Follow the ABC rule, the rule of fashion. ABC. Accentuate, balance, camouflage. Now I am not going to take credit for this. I in fact was in a dressing room recently and I heard somebody in the other room just kind of saying like, you just need to follow the ABC rule of fashion. I'm like, what the heck is the ABC rule of fashion? And then I started Google searching when I got home, and wow, it's pretty much all over the internet. So I am sorry if you already know this, but I think there's a lot of people out there that do not, in which case, this is life-changing. I do think this covers kind of what I've been talking about on my channel for so long, but it just covers it so well. So you just want to accentuate your very best parts. If you have great legs, show those off. If you have great arms, then show off your arms. Now the B stands for balance, and at first I wasn't really sure what that meant, but then it made sense. If you have really, really wide hips, then you want to wear something that kind of shows off your shoulders to balance out your wide hips. And then C stands for camouflage, which is perfect because if you have a problem area, then you want to focus on hiding that. You want to camouflage that. So when you're putting together your outfit in the morning, think of the ABC rule of fashion, accentuate, balance, camouflage, and you will be good to go. Number 2 is to create your own lookbook in your phone, and I mean style lookbook. So I think most fashion people that give advice, they always say to follow people that give you inspiration on Instagram or Pinterest. That's the big tip that I usually hear. However, most things that you see online, it's great inspiration, but you really don't have that in your closet, and you can go try and find it, which is, you know, what you should do. But what I think is just an even better suggestion and has really been life-changing for me is to, when I am in the mood, I literally go through my own closet and I put together outfits. And then guess what? Then I take pictures of that outfit. And then when I am trying to get ready in the morning, maybe really fast, maybe I'm running late, I can just look in my little lovely lookbook and bam, I have outfits all ready to go with clothes that are already in my closet. Life-changing, people. It's life-changing. Number 3 is to wear belts that aren't typical belts. So what has inspired this life-changing point is actually this Miranda Fry Sloan chain belt. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. You can just tell how sparkly it is. You can wear it so many different ways. I feel like even with what I'm wearing, it would look amazing. You can also just wear this as a necklace and double it up different ways because it's adjustable. It's just really, really cool. And I think, like I said, the reason that to me this is life-changing is because you always want to have one piece in your outfit that's a little bit unexpected. So this particular item, along with other ways, there's other ways to do it. Like for instance, here is a typical belt, but it's kind of unexpected in the fact that it has a leopard print. You could also go with a scarf. I think scarves are great, but most people wear them when it's cold outside or around their neck. But I think if you find the right one that matches your outfit really well, you can actually tie it right around your waist, and it gives that unexpected touch, not a typical belt, and it really changes up the look of your outfit, and people will be impressed. Number 4 is to find that sweet spot when it comes to clothing. And what does that mean, you ask? I shall tell you. It means find clothing that does not hug every portion of your body. Find clothes that outline the natural curves of your body. So I am wearing a shirt that I think is a perfect example. This is why I wore this shirt for this video. So as you can see, this literally goes down my body and outlines my body. It is not hugging every single thing. It's not gonna show any lumps or bumps. It's just a very nice shirt that is not too stick straight, but it's not too form-fitting either. It's right in the middle, in the sweet spot. It's life-changing. Number 5 is to buy a good freaking steamer, okay? Yeah, I know, maybe this isn't life-changing. I don't care. I don't care what you say. It's life-changing because, wow, hold on a minute. This puppy, guys, this thing, yeah, it's life-changing. I talked about this in a video It was an Amazon video, and I liked it then, but now I love it. I have used this for so many things. I steamed my shirt, and I do recommend, do not steam your shirts while you are in fact wearing the shirt. Just hang it right here. It's a lovely little feature. How many of you have pulled out a shirt in your closet, and when you pull it out, it is very wrinkly, and you're like, no, I don't want to iron right now, and then you put it back, and then you never wear said shirt. That was me my entire life until I got this steamer. So I probably have an example right here. I do. This shirt is really wrinkly. Before, I would never wear this shirt because I didn't want to pull out the iron and the ironing board. And it's just a whole process. Now I literally have this thing set up in my bathroom or my new closet, which closet tour coming soon. And I just do this in like 10 seconds flat. This thing heats up in literally like 10 seconds, and it's life-changing. It really is. And yes, I know this particular piece or portion of my shirt has been wrinkly this entire video, and it's been bothering me. I apologize. But I know I keep going on and on about this steamer. I will link this one down below. It is professional. That is the key. It has to be professional. I actually use it in a lot of different ways too. I've steamed curtains. I've steamed rugs. Sometimes when I order a rug, it won't lay flat because of the shipping, and I just flip it over and I steam it, and it's perfect. It's magic. Again, this has been a life-changing purchase for me, so I wanted to share it with you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing down below. But otherwise, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!